What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we got to give some updates on XRP and a new analyst predicting $70 per XRP coin. Don't take my word for it, but I think the analysis is pretty strong, and the case for it could actually be argued. Now, remember, never financial advice. Smash the like button down below for the YouTube algorithm, and also consider subscribing to the channel. So the overall market is looking like it's preparing for a really nice recovery. We saw a really U-shape or U-style recovery, and Charles Hoskinson, I mentioned this on an earlier video, but he put this out earlier today saying to give you a sense of how big the upcoming bull market is going to be for crypto. We just absorbed a downturn that was larger than the collapse of FTX in 2022 and of Terra Luna in 2022, and have already nearly fully recovered $710 billion worth of valuation in the crypto market, and 740,000 traders being liquidated in just a day. 2025 is crypto's year, and you guys need to all make sure you remember this piece of information before you click the sell button prematurely. I know a lot of people started panicking, even me. You guys know I kind of drew out my support lines that I was looking forward to. We broke support yesterday, which was one of our buy zones when we fell below $2.41. So for those of you that set limit orders on something like Blowfin, congratulations. Their link is always down below. Up to $100,000 worth of deposit and trade rewards await you. Really nice swing opportunities right now, but we were basically testing this higher lows, which was extremely bullish. We fell below support last night, consolidated here right around $2.52, and now it looks like, again, we might have just touched $2.47, rallying back up. I want to see a clean break above this previous resistance of 277 that we triple topped 1, 2, 3 times. This is the 5-minute chart, so again, only take it as you see it. But overall, the market is looking bullish and ready for the next leg up, especially altcoins. Altcoin season looking like it's very much near. So here it is. Analyst says XRP could skyrocket. I'm going to make my screen smaller so you guys can see on screen clearly. So it says here, analyst says XRP could skyrocket to $70 as Bitcoin hits 100K and Cardano eyes $1.40. Let's read this closely. Bitcoin recovers nearly $100,000 as Trump tariffs hit. Analysts say that XRP to 70, ADA to $1.40. And let's see the reasoning behind this. And this is what makes this so unique. So Bitcoin dropped 8% back to 93,000 earlier this week, its biggest one-day fall in 3 months. On Monday, Bitcoin did recover, reaching a 24-hour high of 102,000, which again is that U-shaped recovery, showing there's a lot of liquidity ready to deploy into the market. According to CoinGlass, over 1.3 billion in leveraged crypto positions, which we know is actually closer to $10 billion, were liquidated, and 300 million in Bitcoin and 400 million in Ethereum, and the rest of the market got hit too. So Ethereum slipped by 20%, and you guys have been paying attention to the overall downturn in the market. But this is what's interesting. Bitcoin ETFs maintained stability despite the sell-off. We saw really significant inflows with BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, or IBIT, led with $3.2 billion, followed by Fidelity's FBTC with $1.3 billion, Bitwise, $125 million, and Grayscale's Mini Trust at $398.5 million. But this is where things are getting interesting for all XRP holders and people that are sidelined right now. The time for XRP news, analysts predict the $70 breakout. So analysts are looking at XRP and predicting a $70 breakout if historical pattern repeat itself that we've seen in previous bull cycles. Initial estimates by EGRAG or EGRAG Crypto have XRP's market cap reaching $300 billion very, very soon, which would put the price per token between $5 and $6 according to the current circulating market cap. If Ripple's XRP follows this historical growth pattern, the market cap could reach 1.1 trillion, and that would put Ripple's price to $20. And I think for a lot of people as a short-term goal, that is quite likely. Further growth could take the market cap up to $4 trillion, depending on where the crypto industry goes in the near-term future. That puts us above $70 per XRP token. And you guys can see what EGRAG did in terms of his analysis here, because again, when the market moves in certain ways, it might not make sense on paper. Not a lot of people would expect something that's right now currently valued at $145 billion to be able to run as much as XRP has already. Because remember, guys, if we look at the 1-year chart, look at this. XRP went from 55 cents all the way up to $3.30 in the span of literally 1.5 months. If it's done that same parabolic move, as long as there's enough demand in the market, we can see it again. But let's keep reading. Recent predictions have XRP surpassing Ethereum in market cap soon, as attorney John Deaton pointed out. Such developments would move XRP up the market ladder and increase investor confidence. Looking at XRP's performance in February across multiple years shows a mixed bag. CryptoRank data shows that despite an average return of negative 3% for the month, there have been big gains of up to 26.3% in February of 2022, and XRP has had downturns 33.4% in 2014, but also big recoveries thereafter that we talked about, those U-shaped recoveries with liquidity entering. So after breaking above $1.83 per XRP, it went to $3.30 and then had a big pullback back to $2.12. This is in line with, of course, all the tariff information and all these things. But when you look at the technical analysis of how quickly we did recover based off that previous trend line and the previous pullback, the technicals are at a crossroads for XRP right now, with RSI, Relative Strength Index, went into overbought territory and then retraced quickly to, again, oversold. It happened, that flip-flop occurred literally within a 24-hour period. But if it breaks this support, it can go down to lower historical imbalance of $1.63, which we saw it actually break $1.76, which I think, again, is my big buy zone. If we have that, it's a great place to put a limit buy order on something like Blowfin or any other exchange that allows you to do those. So XRP has broken out from long-term descending channel, and that's where things are getting bullish. And you need to make sure you guys are watching for the next possible breakout. And this is where they talk about this bull flag that's been forming for Cardano, which, again, this video specifically is about XRP. And this is what you guys need to understand. We went all the way to an RSI of 34 when we had that plummet, and now we're basically back to that 50 to 60 RSI. And remember, for Relative Strength Index, for those of you that aren't technical traders, like myself, I'm really not a technical trader. When RSI falls below 30, that means it's oversold, a really good time to buy. If it's over 70, it's overbought and maybe a good time to sell. So for day traders that are maybe just swinging it, buying back and forth, selling back and forth, then you can take advantage of the fact that we know between $2.21, I think was our, $2.21, and now we have this resistance of 277. You can start swinging XRP back and forth with buying and selling if you're someone, again, that is scalping and looking to trade this before we see the breakout towards the next leg. So XRP going to $70 per coin. For some people, might sound outlandish, but remember, in crypto, things might not make sense on paper, but I think the upside potential here is quite massive. So buckle in, double down, and start creating limit buy orders for what you think are good entries. You can use the link down below for Blowfin. An extra $100,000 deposit and trade rewards await you there as well. For all you traders, this might be a good place to do it. No KYC needed, easy access, and you can onboard and off-ramp and on-ramp fiat pretty easily. I appreciate your guys' support as always. That's all I have for you today. And until next time, everybody, double down to the dip. Never panic. Always pounce. When they panic, we pounce. And until next time, keep investing. Peace.